What if you could turn your regular milk into a natural medicine, boosting your immunity, digestion, and energy without pills, powders, or expensive supplements? What if the secret wasn't in a lab, but in your spice cabinet? Today we're revealing a 5-minute homemade powder that can make your milk 10x more powerful. This isn't a trendy latte. This is ancient wisdom backed by modern science, used for thousands of years in Ayurveda as golden milk or haldi doodh. And the best part? You can make this homemade milk powder at home for less than $10 using just 7 simple ingredients. Welcome to Health Morph, where we believe true health starts from within. In this video, you'll learn how to make this golden milk boosting powder, why it works, and how to use it every day to feel stronger, calmer, and more energized. If you're new here, welcome to Health Morph, a channel dedicated to helping you take control of your health through natural, sustainable, and evidence-based solutions. In this video, you'll learn the science behind each ingredient, how to use it in 5 delicious ways, and the natural benefits for immunity, digestion, and mental clarity. So if you're tired of bloating, brain fog, or feeling run down, keep watching, because by the end of this video, you'll have a simple, natural ritual to upgrade your health, starting tonight. Why regular milk isn't enough. Let's be honest, most of us grew up drinking plain milk, cold, straight from the fridge, maybe with chocolate syrup. But here's the truth. Pasteurized, homogenized milk lacks the full nutritional power it once had. Enzymes are destroyed, probiotics are killed, immune-boosting proteins are denatured. And for many, modern milk causes bloating, gas, mucus buildup, inflammation. But that doesn't mean you should give up milk. It means you should upgrade it. And the best way to do that? Add a homemade milk powder made from healing herbs, transforming it into a daily elixir for long-term health. The power of herbal milk, what ancient traditions knew. For over 5,000 years, Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of healing, has prescribed golden milk as a nightly ritual, not for taste, for preventative medicine. In Ayurveda, warm milk infused with herbs is called medicated milk, or ksira paka, used to strengthen immunity, calm the mind, support joint health, and promote deep sleep. And modern science is now catching up. Studies show that combining milk with certain herbs enhances its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and metabolic benefits. So instead of plain milk, imagine sipping a warm, golden drink that fights off colds, balances blood sugar, soothes your gut, reduces stress, and helps you sleep like a baby. That's what this homemade milk powder does. The #1 homemade milk powder. After reviewing Ayurvedic texts, clinical studies, and traditional recipes, Health Morph has created the ultimate milk boosting powder, a simple blend of 7 powerful ingredients that work synergistically to supercharge your milk. The Health Morph Golden Milk Powder Recipe. Ingredients: make 6 months supply. Turmeric powder, curcumin, ½ cup. Anti-inflammatory immune booster. Cinnamon powder, Ceylon, 1/4 cup, blood sugar regulator. Fenugreek seeds, ground, 1/4 cup, digestive aid, lactation support. Ashwagandha powder, 1/4 cup, stress reducer, energy enhancer. Ginger powder, 2 tablespoons. Gut healer, circulation booster. Cardamom pods, ground, 2 tablespoons. Detoxifier, breath freshener. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Increases curcumin absorption by 2,000%. Use organic ingredients when possible. Grind seeds in a spice grinder. How to make: 5 minutes. Dry roast fenugreek seeds on low heat until fragrant, 2 to 3 minutes. Let cool. Grind into a fine powder. Mix all ingredients in a large glass jar. Shake well. Store in a cool, dark place. Dosage: 1 teaspoon per cup of warm milk, once daily, preferably at night. Science-backed benefits of each ingredient. Let's break down why each ingredient in this homemade milk powder is a game changer for your health. 1. Turmeric, curcumin, the golden healer. Anti-inflammatory, blocks NF-κB, a key inflammation trigger. Antioxidant, boosts the body's own defense enzymes. Immune support enhances antibody response. It pair with black pepper, it increases curcumin absorption by 2,000%. 2. Cinnamon, Ceylon, the blood sugar balancer. Lowers fasting glucose, mimics insulin, reduces HbA1c in diabetes care, 2003. Antimicrobial, fights gut pathogens. Use Ceylon cinnamon, safer and more effective than cassia. For more natural blood sugar support, see our article on leaves for diabetes control, featuring curry leaves, guava leaves, and insulin plant. 3. Fenugreek seeds, the digestive powerhouse. Rich in soluble fiber, slows sugar absorption. Galactomannan, prebiotic fiber that feeds good gut bacteria. Supports lactation, used for centuries to boost breast milk. 4. Ashwagandha, the stress-busting adaptogen. Reduces cortisol, lowers stress hormone levels by up to 30%. Boosts energy, improves mitochondrial function. Supports sleep, calms the nervous system. For more on stress, read our guide on mental health and stress management trends and how adaptogens like ashwagandha can help. 5. Ginger, the gut guardian. Anti-nausea, blocks serotonin receptors in the gut, improves digestion, stimulates bile production. Anti-inflammatory, contains gingerols that reduce joint pain. 6. Cardamom, the detoxifier. Liver support, increases glutathione, master antioxidant. Breath freshener, kills oral bacteria. Mood enhancer, aromatherapy studies show it reduces anxiety. 7. Black pepper, piperine. Increases nutrient absorption, especially curcumin. Study found to increase curcumin absorption by 2,000% in Plantamedica 1998. 5 delicious ways to use the powder. Don't just stir it into plain milk. Get creative. 1. Classic golden milk, Haldi Dude. Heat 1 cup of milk, dairy or plant-based. Add 1 teaspoon homemade milk powder. Simmer 5 minutes. Sweeten with honey, optional. Drink before bed. Best for immunity, sleep, inflammation. 2. Turmeric latte, dairy-free. Use almond, coconut, or oat milk. Add 1 teaspoon homemade milk powder plus half a teaspoon of vanilla. Froth and enjoy. Best for vegans, gut health. 3. Golden smoothie. Blend 1 cup milk plus 1 banana plus 1 teaspoon homemade milk powder plus 1 tablespoon of almond butter. Add ice. Best for energy, digestion, post-workout. 4. Herbal tea upgrade. Stir half a teaspoon homemade milk powder into chamomile or green tea. Add warm milk for creaminess. Best for calming nerves, focus. 5. Oatmeal or porridge booster. Mix half a teaspoon homemade milk powder into warm oats. Top with nuts and berries. Best for breakfast, blood sugar control. Who should be cautious? While this homemade milk powder is safe for most, consult your doctor if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, ashwagandha caution. Take blood thinners, turmeric might interact. Have gallstones, fenugreek might worsen. Are on diabetes meds, cinnamon may lower blood sugar too much. Have autoimmune diseases, turmeric might stimulate immune system. Always monitor your body's response. Start with a 1/4 teaspoon and increase gradually. Conclusion: transform your milk, transform your health. You don't need expensive supplements or trendy health drinks to feel better. Sometimes the most powerful medicine is the most simple. By making this easy homemade milk powder, you're not just upgrading your milk, you're creating a daily ritual of wellness. 1 spoonful a day can strengthen your immunity, soothe your gut, balance your blood sugar, calm your mind, and boost your energy. And the best part? It costs pennies. It takes minutes to make, and it works. At Health Morph, we believe in natural, sustainable health, 1 spoonful at a time. So tonight, before bed, try this. Warm a cup of milk. Stir in 1 teaspoon of your homemade milk powder. Sip slowly. Feel the warmth spread through your body. And know you're doing something powerful for your health. Are you sync? You sync. Food is medicine. And this is medicine at its finest. If this video helped you, please do 3 things. First, hit the like button. It tells YouTube this content matters. Second, subscribe to Health Morph for more natural health tips every week. Third, comment below. Have you tried golden milk? What's your favorite way to drink it? We read every comment and love hearing from you. And if you know someone who's always tired or catching colds, Share this video, because better health shouldn't be a privilege, it should be a possibility for everyone. At Health Morph, we're here to empower you with knowledge, science, and natural solutions, so you can take control of your health one step at a time. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep healing naturally.